What's going on YouTube? It is Sam's Diecast Showroom here. Today we have a really cool car for unboxing and review today. This is from Hot Wheels Racing 2011, the 57 Chevy. One of my personal favorite models by Hot Wheels, 57 Chevy. This one has the blown engine. Some of them don't have the blown engine. And then a classic chrome plastic base. I got this on my hobby shop. And a pretty good deal I got on this one. I love the designs on it. This is going to be a great addition to the collection. Love the older models. Hot Wheels Racing 2011, 57 Chevy, 160 of 244 on the year of 2011. Look at the old packaging design. These were on the shelves when I was playing with Hot Wheels cars as a kid, and 10 of 10 in that series. J case. We just did a 2022 J case unboxing, and this one came from 2012 J case, or 2011 rather. And you can look for the 2011 vehicles. There's what you can get. And there you go. There's the back of the card. 2010 copyright. All right, super cool. Loving the colors on it. Let's get this open. A little bit of a damaged card there. 57 Chevy, one of my personal favorite castings. I don't have nails, so, I gotta pick at the corner there. There we go. Let's get it open. Nice, clean open there, and this should slide right out. Look at that. How do we do on this open? Looking very nice. All right, let's see. Wow. This looks awesome. 5-spoke wheels. Look at that bright chrome plastic base. 57 Chevy. Casting is from 1976. Can you see my camera? Kind of scratched up on the bottom, but that's all right. 5-spoke wheels. Metal engine. These come with a metal engine. Beautiful metallic blue. And can you see why I love this casting so much? Just look at this. Been out since 1976. Still making it. Beautiful Hot Wheels logo in full color coming out the side. Number 7 on that. And look at the striping. Really nice striping. Check that out. There it is right there. Really cool. Metallic blue. And Hot Wheels logo on the side, like I mentioned. Kind of a scratched up tampo, but that's alright. No one's going to notice that. And then clear interior. They tend to do that. They merge the interior with the windows. I love this model so much. Gonna look great with my other ones. Still have another one that I haven't opened yet. It's from like 1990s or something. I think 97 or 96. From Silver Series where it's all chromed out. But Hot Wheels logo on the back as well. Number 7 as well. This is such an awesome model. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.